3 days getting girls interested in the automotive industry.
We had some wonderful workshops with LA Makerspace, DIY Girls, and the LA Motorgoddesses, with a special shout out to Bogey's Girl Gang Garage.
Turning girls into gearheads.
I'm Angeli. I've been an instructor for Playable Technologies for 4 years, and I got into engineering. When I started my college career, I was a mathematics major. I interned at JPL, and then now I'm teaching kids awesome engineering concepts and projects.
What is your background in sciences?
Actually, background in sciences and cars. I've interned at Tesla for a year, for 1 summer, and then also I've been an intern for JPL for 2 years.
I hope that it will help you to do a better job.
At the convention this week, we're getting girls interested in cars by explaining the 4-stroke system to them and also building small mini versions of cars using two-piston systems. And we're just trying to get them to have fun and learn a little bit about what it is that they're seeing, what's going on under the hood of the car, and maybe find a way to inspire them to become more active in the automotive industry. Check out what we're doing. So here is our model where we're demonstrating the 4-stroke cycle. We've got 4 different pistons that are activated, which is coming onto our flywheel here, and we're using this model to explain to girls how this creates movement in the car using the 4 steps